How to fix CAA30194 Teams Error Code on Windows. 1. Restart your device and router. 2. Clear the Teams cache at %data%\Microsoft\Teams. To do this, backup then clear these items: application cache /cache, block_storage, cache databases GPO gig, index DB, local storage, TMP. 3. Delete the JSON files at %data%\Microsoft\Teams. 4. Enable the TLS feature, TLS 1.0, TLS 1.1, TLS 1.2, and TLS 1.3, in the Internet option. 5. Disable VPN. 6. Uninstall and reinstall the Teams app. 7. Use the web version.